Our response in terms of the various levels of COVID actually started at the initial announcement by our Prime Minister. So in the level 4 we had 15 at the front line, and within a week it became obvious that we needed to move into food deliveries and providing people with a number of different resources that they didn't have. We closed our office doors, but we actually redeployed into the community. The community being my whare. So my whare and my garage and my lawn turned into the property that in the end fed 1,346 families. One of the most significant resources that our people did not have was access to those key messages that were being delivered by the Prime Minister, by the Ministry of Health, and all of those things, because they were all being delivered electronically, TV, and our people that are most vulnerable don't have that. So we had to be the messenger. But what we also had to do was they had the right to hear those messages firsthand. So we set about working with many different funders to organise extra support to put devices, TVs, internet access into the homes of our most vulnerable. We were putting internet, I have to say, in a very entrepreneurial way into these properties, because obviously Chorus hadn't quite got their head around what a level 4 response looked like, to be honest, and being the only company, there was nowhere else to go. So companies like that, I think, could learn a lot from a Māori response, that it's not always good to be the only person good at something. During the pandemic, that was a huge issue for us. So we were lucky enough to be able to connect many whānau to mobile connections through our business connection to have access to unlimited data. We're also part of the Whānau Collective. We were resourced to deliver hygiene packs, and those hygiene packs combined with the food packs became the tool for us to manaakitanga, but also the tool for us to ensure that our people were okay. And you would have heard a lot that COVID uncovered all of this vulnerability, and it was always there. COVID actually wasn't the reason why many of these things were there. They've been there all the time, but it gave it an audience, it gave it a stage, and I think that's one of the positive things about COVID, is that I think there were some reality checks to be had